Hello everybody, welcome to Tanfon Live channel. Today we want to show you the new project. Hi Tony.
Hi.
Can you introduce this new project?
Yes, of course. Okay, follow me.
Yeah, okay.
This is our project for the hospital application, and this car is for the medical testing. Sit down here.
Okay.
This is our power system. Lithium-ion battery is used,
Yes.
and maybe you want to know why we use the lithium battery.
Yes.
Here, I want to let you know, because the lithium battery have very high efficiency of the discharging and charging. For example, the battery weight is very light. It's only about 30% of gel battery, and very short charging time.
Yes.
For example, we can charge it full in 10 hours.
Yeah.
And when you use, the energy loss is very few, so the discharging efficiency is very high. And here, this is our control panel. This button is for the power on and power off, and this screen can show all of the parameters of the battery. For example, the system voltage, current, temperature, and the cell status, and the temperatures, and the working status conditions.
Okay.
So when sometimes maybe we will drive the car outside.
Yes.
Maybe not in the hospital. Some special areas that have the special conditions. We will use this battery for all of the equipment.
Yeah, this is the small size.
Yeah, very small size. You can see.
Yes.
If this battery, the entire weight is only about 500 kilograms. If we use gel battery, the total weight will be more than 1.5 tons. So if we are outside, first we will power on this battery, and then we will start the inverter in the front of the car. Follow me.
Okay. Because the car is limited, so the inverter is in the phone size.
Here you can see the total weight of the car is limited, because when you drive on the way, the police always will check the weight.
Yes.
Here is the inverter. You can see the panel is opened because we are doing the testing.
Yes.
So here we can open this door.
Yeah, open it. So
after put on the lithium battery, then we will switch the switch one by one.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Switch the charger and the output.
You can see there
the battery.
Here is 220 volts output and 380 voltage output.
Yeah.
This is for the air conditioner and the lights.
So this also for this project special design.
And this is for the CT machine.
Okay.
And this screen can show all of the high voltage output information, like the AC 3-phase, the voltage, 380 volts.
Yes.
Here is the safe door for the CT machine, because when the machine is working, there will be a lot of X-ray. It's very dangerous. So we must protect the doctor and other people.
Okay.
Please come in. You can see the machine is very big. is very large.
Yes, this is a Philip machine.
Yes, the Philip machine, and it's a very high precision machine. So the power also is very large. This machine, the power is about 150 kVA.
Oh, that's big power.
Yes, that's very large.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's go out to the other side.
Yeah. Okay.
I must close this door first.
Okay.
After we put on the inverter, first we will start the air conditioner because this machine is very high efficiency. So it must work in a very good condition, in a special humidity and special temperature.
Yes.
Yeah. When we are working, the people will go inside from these steps.
Going from this side.
Yeah. Over here, the doctor.
Yeah.
will sit here. Here is the desk. And sit here to operate the computer, the sitting machine, and the outdoor. So here you can see this machine. We have tested several times, and with very high efficiency. About how to use this machine, we have a special doctor to operate this machine.
Yes.